2.35 million people sought unemployment benefits in the week that ended May 16th. And this brings the total of Americans out of work during the crisis to almost 40 million if you look at a seasonally adjusted basis. That means that 1 out of 5 workers is out of work. It's a horrible number. And it's disheartening to say the least, especially in the midst of all this talk about the market starting to recover. But let's be honest, the true numbers say otherwise. Futures for the Dow Jones Industrial were off 178 points. The S&P index was down less than 1%, and the NASDAQ 100 was down 1.5% at last trading. So the numbers show a much different story. In reality, this isn't surprising. The escalating tensions with the US and China, and especially after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell voiced the need for much more stimulus to prevent a depression, basically saying investors are cashing out and they're sitting on the sideline, and we need to put money in the economy to recover. There was one bright spot. Gold gained over 2%. Investors are flocking to precious metals in droves this year, with a 1-week inflow in gold of 1.8 billion after a 30-day inflow of 5.06 billion. The 90-day inflow, 10.5 billion. Gold has been one of the most consistent investments this year. And obviously we've talked about Bank of America predicts that gold will hit $3,000 an ounce in the next 18 months. It's becoming an easy target, to be honest, especially as the global monetary printing machine is well over $12 trillion for the monetary and the fiscal boosts. Before this year, I talked a lot about black swan events. We had been in a bull market in the stock market for almost 12 years, and gold always performs well during these events. And it has proven to do that. We had the black swan event, and gold is the safe haven that people are looking for right now. Now, what's going to happen in the future with the economy, nobody knows, but we know that the economic status right now is uncertain. 1 out of 5 unemployment is unprecedented. And so where are you going to put your future? Where are you going to bet your finances are? And I think you'd like to get into something that's solid. I think you'd like to get into something that has a limited supply. That is the beauty of gold. If you'd like to learn more about gold and some of the other investments we offer, check out noblegoldinvestments.com. That's noblegoldinvestments.com.